The Canon EOS M, despite being released over a decade ago, still holds its ground as a legendary camera. It's a favorite among enthusiasts and professionals alike, not just because of what it was, but what it can still do today. With Magic Lantern installed, the EOS M becomes a different beast. The firmware unlocks features that were previously unimaginable on such an old camera, like raw video recording. One of my favorite mods, shooting at 1736 by 1158. This resolution uses the entire sensor, resulting in a crisp and detailed image. This mod also shoots in 3:2 aspect ratio, which is unusual for video but adds a sense of air or openness to the frame. It gives the footage a distinct, almost cinematic quality that stands out. When I first started using the EOS M, I relied on the kit lens. It was compact and convenient, perfect for quick shoots and travel. However, as I became more comfortable with the camera, I realized that the kit lens just wasn't cutting it anymore. I needed more quality. That's when I discovered that with the right gear, the EOS M could mimic the look of a full-frame camera. To achieve this, I invested in a new lens and a speed booster. This setup dramatically improved the camera's performance. I chose a Viltrox adapter, which allowed me to use EF lenses on the EOS M, effectively giving me that full-frame look. I paired it with a used Canon EF 24-105mm f4, and the difference was night and day. Admittedly, the setup looks a bit unusual, an old mirrorless camera with a large full-frame lens attached, but it's absolutely worth it. Bokeh, sharpness, zoom range. Thanks to the speed booster, we also get an extra stop of light, which is very useful. But of course, no setup is perfect, and there are some drawbacks to this combination. First, the ergonomics. The EOS M was never designed to handle large lenses like this, making it awkward to hold and operate at times. There is also the noise from the lens's image stabilizer, which can be distracting in quiet environments. Despite these minor issues, I am extremely satisfied with this setup. When it comes to post-processing, I use a two-step approach to get the best results from the footage. First, I convert the raw footage to Alexa Log-C using the MLV app, which gives me a great starting point for color grading. Then I bring the footage into DaVinci Resolve. Even just applying the color space transform makes the footage look fantastic, but I like to spend some extra time tweaking the curves and color settings to get the exact look I want. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review interesting. Thank you for watching.